Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2020 Harris 270 Grand Mariner. This particular boat is powered by the Mercury 400 Verado. This also has the extended swim deck on the back with the stainless steel rails and the safety chains that clip. Stainless steel ski tow bar, stainless steel swim ladder. As we look into the boat, this is the single lounger layout, which provides plenty of storage on the transom. Flip-flop seat. As we come into the boat, this does have the Delta tower that folds down. This boat is going to have the dual batteries with dual battery switch option. Coming to the helm, you'll see the swivel seat, high back, digital throttle and shift. This also has the glass dash, stereo with Bluetooth, tilt wheel steering, total lighting package, and capacity for 16 people. Over here on the port side, see a lounger with flip down armrest, cup holder. As we move forward, gates on both sides. Also comes with a full boat cover with the poles. Storage area with sub. As we come forward, you'll see we do have an in-floor storage locker, storage compartments here, plenty of seating in the bow with flip down armrest. That completes the walkthrough of the 2020 Harris 270 Grand Mariner. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.